One question a lot of people seem to have is, why didn't Bulgaria join Yugoslavia? I mean, if you think about it, Yugoslavia just means Southern Slavs, and Bulgaria is a Southern Slav country, right? Well, the shortest way to summarize is that Bulgaria kind of always had their own thing going on. They always kind of saw themselves as like successors to the Bulgarian Empire, which extended all the way across the Balkans and Eastern Europe. Plus, they were already an independent country, while half of what was Yugoslavia was under the Austro-Hungarian Empire and the rest was under a Serbian kingdom. So it's like they already had a strong sense of identity and didn't need pan-South Slavicism. But see, the crazy thing is, after World War II, they almost did join Yugoslavia. Because see, during that time in post-World War II, NATO and the Warsaw Pact were forming, and Bulgaria had a decision to make. Should they join the Warsaw Pact or Yugoslavia, which was non-allied? So in 1947, they gave it a shot and signed the Bled Agreement between their two leaders, Tito and Dimitrov. This was the closest they came to joining Yugoslavia. But the problem was, they could not agree on how to move forward. Because see, what Bulgaria wanted was a confederation of two equal countries, with Bulgaria administering what is now North Macedonia. And when Tito heard that, he was like, hail to the actual no. Because if they allowed this to happen, then that would mean that the Bulgarians and the new Macedonian Bulgarians would demographically dominate all of Yugoslavia. And he did not want that to happen. So Tito proposed that they split up Bulgaria into like maybe 3 or 4 separate republic states. There were no concrete definitive boundaries, but his idea was to have this area, the Pirin region, fall as an autonomous area under what was Yugoslav Macedonia. And when Dimitrov heard that, he was like, hail to the actual no. You do not split up my country. So 1 year later, the plan fell through, and Bulgaria decided to just join the Warsaw Pact with the USSR. And it's really crazy because like when you go to all these countries, like at least on the surface, you could barely even tell the difference between all of them. Like they all eat the same food, they all have the same culture and the same folklore and the same upbringings. Many of them can even understand each other with their languages because they have a degree of mutual intelligibility. Okay, actually, I'm not gonna lie. I would say technically Bulgaria is actually a little bit more culturally distinct because they have like Central Asian steppe nomadic roots and they have a bunch of weird ass traditions that can't be found anywhere else. But you get the point. In the end, it didn't happen because I guess it just didn't need to happen, but it almost did that one time.